You can take one more also, guys, from same numbering, from same about two patterns. We can take first I can take this one. Allow observe. Right. Then second, I can take this one second part, guys, like this. All of right. Okay. So for this one again, same two programs only, right? Same two programs only we use. Right. So same. Let me try here. Input of enter n number of rows. Enter n number of rows. Then evolve. Then n equal to, right? N equal to. All of the two programs right directly without copy pasting the above two patterns. So let us try now. So for I in range of, so starting 1 and n plus 1. So here first time what I want here, so j no spaces and 5 times star repeating, then 1 space 4 times star repeating, 2 spaces 3 times star repeating, 4 space 3 spaces 2 times star repeating, and the 4 spaces one time, right? So means first time no space before and 5 stars. Next one space only one space 4 stars. Next two spaces 3 stars. Next three spaces 2 stars. Next four spaces 1 star, right? That means for j in range of 1 to I, 1 to I, right? 1 to I, print of what, don't take the space, directly take what here and then what is the k means stars, first time 4, first time 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, that means range of so 1 to n plus 2 minus I, then print of what displaying start displaying end equal to like this, right? At last I'm going to print I'm giving 5 somewhere are extra displayed, is the oh sorry, you are giving the 5, right? All of you. So I given the actual R here instead of the 5. Okay, so that's fine. And here all of you in this case, that debugging ways that we know already, right? That we know already. If you want one more time, so when I value 1, j how many times repeating here? No times, no repetition, no repetition. Why no repetition? Because I don't want space, right? In the beginning, space is not required. Okay, that's why. So 1 to 1, ending value 1, 1 before 0. So 1 to 0, no iterations, no iterations. And k, how many times iterating? Tell me now. So n plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 minus 1, 6. 6 before 5, so that 5 times start displaying. Okay. Next, when I value 2, j repeating how many times? One time. I value 2, right? So starting 1, ending 2, 2 before 1, starting 1, ending 1, so that only one time iterating j. What about the k here? So n plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 minus 2, I value 2, right? So 5, 5 before 4, so 4 times the start display, 4 times start display. Next, when I value 3, starting value 1, ending value 3, 3 before 2, so that it returns 2 times it iterates. And here, all of observe. So I value 3, right? 5 plus 2, n plus 2, 7, 7 minus 3, 4, 4 before 3, so that 3 times it trades. Next, when I value 4, then so in the value 4, 4 before 3, so that 1, 2, 3 will come. Then here, how many times automatically 2 times. And when I value 5, that repeats 4 times. How many times it executes? 1 time only. 1 time only, like that. Next, so the first part over, guys. The first part over. In observe here, the first part over. Okay, first part over. The second part. So first 4 spaces and 1 star. 3 spaces, 2 stars. 2 spaces, 3 stars. 1 space, 4 stars. No space, 5 stars. Okay, all of you. Again, same for I in range of we use the same n plus 1. Then for j in range of first 4 spaces, right? Starting 1, n plus 1 minus I, n plus 1 minus I. Why like that means? So 5 plus 1, 6, 6 minus 1, 5. So that 5 times, sorry, n plus 1, 6, 6 minus 1, 5, 5 before 4. So 4 spaces coming, right? 4 spaces coming. Enough, right? Then 4 times I want to display space. Only single space. That's why I don't take empty space. Directly n equal to space. Over. Then for 4 times space, then 1 star required, right? 4 times space, 1 star required. First time 1 star. The second time 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, 5 stars. Means I take the starting value 1, ending value I plus 1. So what I value 1, when I value 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 before 1, so that 1 to 1, one time it writes that one time printing. So what I want to print here, I want to print the star, and then end equal to what here? End equal to string like this. Then I take the print here. Let's see now. I am giving the file like this. And here, and all of you, and in this case, when I value again here 1, and then j, how many times iterating? So n plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 minus 1, 5. 5 before 4, so that j iterates 4 times. J iterates 4 times, okay? 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. What about the k? What about the k here? So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 before 1. So starting 1, ending 1. So that one time iterate. One time iterate, okay? When I value 2, n plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 minus 2, 4. 4 before 3. So that it iterates 1, 2, 3. J time 3 times means 3 spaces will come. Then k, how many times k here? How many times k? How many times k here? So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 before 2. So that 1, 2. So 2 times only that k rating. Next 3. When I value 3, n plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 minus 3. 3. 3 before 2. So that it iterates 2 times. 1 time, 2 time, 2 times. When I value 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 before 3, so that 3 times the star will display. 3 iterations. When I value 4, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 minus 4, 2, 2 before 1. So starting 1, ending 1, so that one time iterate. And coming to k here, so 4 plus 1, 5, 5 before 4, so that it iterates 4 times, right? 4 times. When I value 5, then so 5 plus 1, 6, 6 minus 5, 6 minus 5, 1, 1 before 0, so no iterates here, no iterations. Then so 5 plus 1, 6, 6 minus 1, 6 before 5, so that iterates 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times a star will come. That's all, guys. 5 times a star will come, right? So result is like this. It is the result.